Hi there, this is Steve from STO N SHO. We're out here today at Dodge and we're filming the new Charger. So these are all Daytonas, and there's different like stage 1, stage 2, scat pack, but it appears they're for our purposes of bracket wise, it looks like they're all the same. This will be a no drill, however, they put a sensor in the center, unfortunately. So we won't be mounting it there. You can see that rectangular box there, and which is the sensor. So we're going to mount it off to the passenger side. But again, it's going to be no drill. So we'll go ahead and turn it over to Mike and go ahead and get started here.
Okay, thanks, Steve. And like Steve said, this is a no drill. So we're removing, it'll be going where 2 factory screw locations are. However, we won't be reusing the factory screws. We'll be taking them off there quite far apart, because there's going to be one right here. These are a 4.8 by, I think, 30 screw. It's got a 8mm head on it. So we're going to be taking these out, and again, we won't be reusing. The other one's way over here. This is a bracket we had to have custom made just for this car. So it is probably one of our longest ones. So again, we're going to put the factory screws off to the side. We're going to be grabbing the factory plate here, and as you can see, this is quite the bracket, and I'm pretty sure it's probably our longest bracket. Screw through the base plate, spacer on top, start it in the hole. Again, real important, as always, make sure you start each side before you start tightening it. These screws, I believe, are a 4.8 by 32mm. So again, get these started first, and then you can grab your ratchet and start tightening them up. As soon as I can find it, there it is. So, like I said, these are 8mm headed screws. So, and they going into like a J-clip, but it's the bracket's metal that these are going into. It's quite solid. It's actually pretty nice. So you can tighten these up pretty good, but yeah, this thing is like solid as it can be. It can't move. So once you get that in, you're going to grab your front. Start it. Once you hit the pull pin, get it past the pull pin, push it till it locks into place, and you're done.
Yeah, like all our brackets, make sure that you lubricate the pull pin from time to time. And if you go through a car wash that has either a roller, brush, etc., that's going to make contact with that, you're going to want to remove that, because it will get damaged. And there's where it sits, so it's right between that sensor and the passenger side of your car. And so for now, this appears to fit all the Daytonas. Are all electric, so we'll see when the gas-powered models show up. We'll see if they're the same or if we have to do a new bracket for that one. But anyway, that's license plate goes on your front plate, and you are done.
We're going to now show you how to mount the license plate to the front bracket. You're going to take your plate, take the screw, put it through the plate, then line it up on the bracket, like so. Put the nylon lock nut on it. Now the nylon lock nut will have a nylon ring, and then no ring, so the ring goes to the outside. So when you put it on, make sure the ring goes to the outside. And then take your 10mm socket, or wrench, if you have just a wrench, Phillips screwdriver, and just tighten them up. Ring in there is going to keep it from rattling off. So there you go. That's what it should look like when you're all done.